Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Philips Creator Series 27E2F7901, a 27-inch 4K UHD IPS display. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this IPS display for yourself and get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey there everyone, I'm super excited to tell you all about this awesome Philips Creator Series 27E2F7901, a 27-inch 4K UHD monitor. This monitor is perfect for anyone who loves amazing pictures and getting stuff done. Let's dive into it. So here are some of the cool things about this monitor, the pros. Number one is a super sharp picture. This monitor has 4K UHD display, which means it shows pictures super clear and crisp. Just like the movies, it's like having a mini cinema in your room. Number two is the stunning colors. The colors on this monitor are fantastic. It covers almost all the colors you can think of, which is great if you're into art, photography, or just want your games and movies to look amazing. Number three is the easy USB-C connection. You can connect your laptop with just one cable. That's so cool. It gives power to your laptop, transfers data super fast, and shows the screen all with a single USB-C cable. Plus, it charges your laptop, which is awesome. Number four is the KVM switch for productivity. With the built-in KVM switch, you can use this monitor for two computers at once with one keyboard and mouse, perfect for a home work and play setup. Number five is the multiple adjustments. You can move the monitor up and down, tilt it, and even swivel it. This means you can set it up just how you like it, so it's comfy to use. Number six is the Calman Ready. If you're into colors and professional stuff, this monitor is ready for you. It's perfect for people who need their colors to be just right for their work. And number seven is the daisy chain for extra screens. You can link up multiple monitors easily. It's like having a huge wall of screens for all your projects. Now let's talk about the only downside. It's a bit pricey. The Philips Creator Series is super amazing, but it can be a bit expensive. If you want the best, you gotta be ready to spend a bit more. So that's the Philips Series 27E2F7901 27-inch 4K UHD monitor. If you'd like to get stunning pictures, great color, and a monitor that can help you with your work, then this is really awesome for you. If you'd like to check out this monitor for yourself and get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.